Hey everybody, welcome back to another drawing tutorial. Today we're going to be doing Monkey D. Dragon from One Piece. Luffy's dad, as far as I know. I think he is. It's hard to keep track in One Piece, all these characters, so many. Right, so landscape orientation page. Use a pencil and hit pause if I go too fast or when I move my hand. So we're going to start with his eyes. So center point of my page is about here. So we'll go up, over to the right a little bit. So he's real square eyes. So we'll go just diagonal first. Cross like so. And then we'll bring it down like that. And then back in up to here. And he's got like thick sort of lines around his eyes, just on the bottom eyelid and the side. So you can thicken this up a little bit just here. And then his pupil, so just like a half circle just here, like so. And we go over and do pretty much the same thing on the other side. So we go diagonal. First. And we bring it down. And then across the other side and in. And again, thicken this up. And then his pupil just in here. Like so. So he's got like these big frown sort of lines coming up around his eyes here. It's like his forehead or something, you know, real big. Like so. And then his nose. So coming out from, say, here, the line down there, and then we bring this pretty much straight down, and it kind of has a curve on the bottom of it, just here. We have another line on the other side, just there, going in towards his eye, and then some like wrinkles and stuff there. So his whole nose is drawn, so we can see like bottom of his nose, so we go a V just down here, just coming down like so, and then this comes around to nostrils like that, and then we go around for nostril on the other side as well, roughly just like that. So his mouth, so big long downturned sort of mouth. It sort of starts underneath his eye here, goes across like so and down. So real big. In One Piece their mouths are like massive. And then his bottom lip line just here, like so. Chin just down here. Real square sort of chin. You can check proportions now. So eye, say like eye to nose, top of his eye to nose, about the same as nose to chin. Like the top line of his eye now, to the tip of his nose here. So here to here is about the same as here to here. Okay, that's your proportion. Nose is about halfway between top of the eyes and the chin, and then nose to say bottom lip, about the same as bottom lip to chin, just underneath it. So here to here, about the same as here to here. Roughly, doesn't have to be exact. But then we go up the side of his face for his jaw. Up side of his face for his jaw. And you want to stop about mouth level and under the corner of his eyes, because that's where you change direction. And you go up side of his face. Like so. Okay, so here then we have a sideburn. Right, this is hair. And then his ears come out from there. So it comes out, down, around just underneath his nose. And then we bring his ears out, down, around to there. And we've bones and ligaments inside there. So just a line like that. Easiest way. Like so, but you can add more detail if you want. Again, just bones and ligaments and stuff. Many different ways of doing this. No artist does it the same. Like so. And he could have another line or two just around the edge of his mouth. Here like that. Right, so hairline. So it comes up. So we're aiming for like a V up here, okay? So like there to there. So I'd say like his eyebrow area to his nose is about the same as eyebrow area to top of his forehead. See that? So they're the same distance. Here to here is about the same as here to here. So nose to eyebrow, about the same as eyebrow to forehead. Right, this V area. And then this comes down, around, down to there. We do the same thing on the other side. Down, around, down into there. So he's got these lines just on the edge of his eye as well on this side. It's like more of his brow sort of drawn in like so. And like, it's just like, he's a real intense looking dude. And then he's got tattoos on his face, right? So diamond here. Like this. And then a diamond here. Like this. And I think there's a third one, but you can only see some of it just here. Right, so like 3 diamonds coming down his face. And then around that, so we've got these red spiking lines, okay? So they're all, so to draw them in, so it's kind of a bit complicated to draw them in, but we'll go for it. Let's go. So, bam, let's go up this way. Like so. This comes up to like a spike here, and then we bring this down to there, and then we go up here, back down to there. Of course, some of these lines now overlap, and you'll have to erase sort of bits out from it, so where they cross over one another. So that goes up that way, and then that goes up that way. So like any lines inside here, you want to erase them. So another one. Like so. And then another one. That, and then this comes down here along his face, goes down like so, bumping sort of, and then another one coming down here, back up then. So, and come down along his face here, and then it goes back the edge of his face. Here, like that. And another one just here. So anywhere they crisscross, like there's lines underneath, you should erase those lines because it's all just red inside. There's no black lines on the inside of the tattoo. So hopefully that's a bit clearer for you now. So now we'll do his hair, right? So coming out from his jaw here, we got hair spike coming down and then back up like so, and then another one here. He's got like real long hair. Hair spike coming out there, down to there, back out, there, back up. And then these start to go up around, like so. Like that, right? And pretty much the same thing on the other side, so this. There might actually be a few more on this side that go up like so. So top of his head is just kind of up here, so we got like a spike kind of just here sticking up. There, and then this goes down maybe to another one sticking out here, and like one sticking up kind of in the back of his head here, and then here as well, and then this will eventually run down his head down to there. Kind of like that. Right, so then he's got like a neckerchief or something just here coming down around his neck, and then in on that side as well. And then we got like some neck muscles just here, like so. And then the other side of that neckerchief runs down with kind of a fold line here. Out there. This is an orange sort of thing. And it comes out around, down this way. Just a couple of fold lines there. And then he has a big collar, right? So it like purple, looks purple anyway, big collar sticking out. See here, and then it goes back down, and then we have another small section just there. Pretty much same thing on this side, so comes out kind of in line with his ear, comes out here somewhere. And then goes back down, gradually down this way. We might have another bit sticking out down there. And then his shoulders will come off, so he's real wide shoulders and like a green sort of hood, cloak sort of thing. Coming out around. And similar here. like so. That is, I think, everything. How to draw Monkey D. Dragon from One Piece. Hope it's helpful, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.